I can fit my pinky through there. I can fit pens, pencils, and things. Hey guys, it's Chris. So I'm super excited because I'm going to get my earlobes surgically closed. I'm 30 years old. I've had these since I was like 13, not this size, but my earlobes have been stretched since I was about 13 years old. As you can see, it's stretched quite far. I can fit my pinky through there. I can fit pens, pencils, and things. But at this point in my life, I'm ready for a different look. You know, it's the end of an era. I have a consultation today at 3 p.m. Today is July the 20th, and I am super excited. For those of you who don't know, or if you've never noticed, I've had stretched earlobes for quite some time, and I'm ready to close them up. You know, I like them, I enjoyed them. Even though I'm getting them closed, I wouldn't say that I regret them because, you know, it was a vibe at a time. But now I'm just ready to move on to the next chapter of life. Like, yeah, you can wear, you know, hoops. I'll show you how with plugs. And so I love hoops. I love a good hoop. Hoops are my thing. It's like part of my signature look. So currently these are the plugs or gauges that I wear in my ear. I think these are like either 00 or 7/16, just because that's how far my earlobes will stretch now. And what I do is fold it, put it in my ear like this, and then stick the hoop through. But like, I want to wear dainty things and dainty little studs and smaller earrings without having them like completely slide through my earlobe. I have tried to let them close in the past, and right now they're stretched. They will get up to, I want to say 7/16. When I've tried to let them close, they'll go back to like, well, I would let them get down to like a 2, and then I'd be like, they're not closing all the way. They're not closing fast enough. Might as well go big or go home. And then I'd just stretch them back out again. But I'm ready for a permanent change. Like I said, it's the end of an era. But yeah, I'm super excited. So I did some research on some of the plastic surgeons in the area. And if I'm not mistaken, basically what they're gonna do is take a laser and sear the flesh and stitch it back together. And hopefully it will heal. Hopefully everything will go well. I'm sure that it will. But I'll take you guys along for my consultation, and we'll go from there. But I'm super excited because my consultation was supposed to be on the 27th, but they had a cancellation. So hopefully I can have my consultation today and the actual procedure on the 27th. But yeah. I will say though, one thing I think that I am actually gonna miss is like the barrier that my silicone plugs do provide between like my actual ear, like the skin, and an earring. Like I tried the other day to put some earrings in without the plugs at all, and it felt a little weird. So I know I'm gonna have to get used to that since it's been so long, because that's not how I wear them. But still, change is good. Woohoo! So I'm here outside for my appointment. I wanted to show you guys, though, you may notice it in the footage depending on how I film, but I ended up changing into my smaller plugs because the ones I had in were stinging, and they only sting if like they're stretching, so it was just a no. These are more comfortable now since I had my plugs out for a few days. But yeah, let's go in. Let's go on in. Hopefully they'll let me film. I asked on the phone, and she said they should be okay with it, so we'll see. Alright, so I'm waiting for the doctor to come in. I went over my medical information with the nurse. This is what we're working with. Exciting.
And we'll start by a slight turn this way.
Yeah, okay.
And then do you mind pushing this in your ear? Perfect. Okay, and now roll face that way. Perfect. Great, thanks. Okay.
All right, so as you can see, it's a few hours later. I'm back from my consultation. The surgeon did not want to be filmed, which I have to respect. But basically, let me tell you. So basically, she's going to split my earlobe in two to make a new wound, and then basically stitch it together. She's telling me after 3 months, I can come back to have my ear re-pierced. So that tells me it'll take maybe 3 months for healing. But it's gonna be local anesthesia. She'll inject this. They're gonna give me some Xanax for the surgery itself, because, you know, I'm okay with that. I want the Xanax because, you know, I know they're gonna numb it, but it still makes me like really nervous, you know, with that happening so close to my face. I know she knows what she's doing, but you know. But But yeah, my surgery date is November the 7th. It's July the 20th. I asked to be put on the wait list just in case anything becomes available sooner, because I'd love to get this out of the way, because think about that, that's a 3-month recovery time. So it'll be like February of next year before I can get my ears re-pierced, and then I'll have to wait until I can wear hoops again. So that's kind of a lot of waiting, you know. I considered getting a second piercing here before the surgery, and I kind of want to do it now since it won't be until November, but I think I'm just gonna wait, because what if something becomes available and then I have this fresh piercing here and then she's got to do that. I'll probably have to take out the earring for the surgery anyway, so I'm just gonna hold off on that. I just got to be patient, but yeah, we're good to go. You guys, I'm sorry, I forgot to record my outro, but I'll see you guys in a few months once the surgery has been complete. I'll provide an update. If you have any questions you want me to address, just leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.